Hey everyone, welcome to the Auto Fact. Today, we're diving into 15 amazing short facts about the Maruti 800, a true icon of Indian automotive history, ruled the roads from 1983 to 2014. In this video, we'll uncover the legendary car that changed the way India drove. Let's get started. Fact number 1. The Maruti 800 made its debut in 1983 as the first car produced by Maruti Suzuki after the company was formed as a joint venture with Suzuki Motor Corporation. Fact number 2. The Maruti 800 was introduced at an affordable price of just $50,000, a game changer for middle-class families looking to own their first car. Fact number 3. With its compact design and boxy shape, the Maruti 800 became the face of Indian urban mobility for over 3 decades. Fact number 4. Under the hood, the Maruti 800 packed a 796cc 3-cylinder engine that could churn out 37 horsepower, perfect for the Indian roads of the time. Fact number 5. It was known for its fantastic fuel efficiency, giving up to 18 to 20 kilometers per liter, great for long trips and city commutes. Fact number 6. By 1994, the Maruti 800 became the best-selling car in India, and it held that title for almost 2 decades. Fact number 7. The Maruti 800 was the go-to family car, with seating for 4, perfect for young families across the country. Fact number 8. It wasn't just popular in India. The Maruti 800 was also exported to countries like Sri Lanka, Nepal, and even Japan under the Suzuki Alto name. Fact number 9. The Maruti 800 became famous for its affordable maintenance, with parts being easily available and cheap to replace. Fact number 10. While not the safest car by modern standards, the Maruti 800 did have basic safety features, including a strong body structure and seat belts. Fact number 11. The Maruti 800 had several facelifts throughout its production, but it remained largely unchanged in terms of design, a testament to its timeless appeal. Fact number 12. The Maruti 800 also made its way into Indian pop culture, appearing in films, TV shows, and even advertisements. Fact number 13. Many young Indians saw the Maruti 800 as their first car, symbolizing freedom and independence. Fact number 14. The Maruti 800 was finally discontinued in 2014 after more than 30 years in production, replaced by the Alto 800, which offered more modern features. Fact number 15. Even today, the Maruti 800 remains one of the most beloved cars in India's history, with a massive fan base and a special place in many hearts. So there you have it, 15 amazing facts about the Maruti 800, a car that truly shaped India's automotive landscape. Did you own one? Drop your memories in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car facts. See you next time.